daughter Lillian.
Hi Lillian.
Hi.
Okay, so there's two different ways that people have done it right there, which is just a cover to a clean out.
Okay.
Okay. Basically there's a urinal toilet, two toilets all going into one cast drain, and then it runs like 65, 75 feet to the septic.
Okay.
All right, we know that there's a belly like around 25 feet or so.
Okay.
Between 20 and 25 feet from this wall, and this wall is 12 feet to the end of the bathroom.
Okay.
So there's a clean out that most people use. The jetting, and I think the jetter hose might have a thicker diameter on it, and so they had a hard time going there because it does like a dog leg after 12 feet.
Okay.
And so they use, excuse me, so they used a clean out here that's part of the vent and went down that way.
Okay. Yeah,
But
that's.
I think last time you said it was your husband that was
Yeah,
on here
Bob,
before?
yeah.
Okay, Bob. He had gone there. We also have outside a multi-directional clean outs, either going towards the septic or coming back into the building.
Can you
depending on-
show me that one?
Sure.
Just to see if there's water there. That'll tell us
Oh,
the
okay,
best
so I
spot.
already checked that.
Okay.
And that was bone dry. So,
Okay. So how far from that clean out is that
is that other one?
multi-directional?
That's probably like 25, 30 feet.
Okay, in between the two?
Between where the belly is and where their clean out is? Is that what
Okay.
you're asking me?
No, between this clean out at the toilet
Oh, yeah.
and the clean out, the multi-directional clean out.
That's probably 40 feet, I guess.
Okay. So,
So by and large, they use this one. But I wanted to give you as much information as I could think of for you to make your own
okay.
educated decision.
I'm probably going to end up going through this one.
All right.
Just because this is probably going to put me closer to the problem area. And the cable that I'm going to use is a 50-footer. So that's going to eliminate that.
Right, so that's gonna eliminate 10 feet.
Right. So that'll get us almost at the septic tank.
Right.
I'm spinning this the right way, right? You're trying to go left, right?
Yeah, if I can fit.
In there, whatever.
Hope that this is right in between two joists.
Just make it from here. See how I can tell?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, don't tangle it.
Right here, you're gonna get a line in your face, so.
Okay.
Be careful. We had to take off the 3-inch clean out cap to go into the vent stack clean out. To go down and take it to the multi-directional is how I put it. Alright, so you're gonna take this, either slide it out this way. Is that the black dial in between the 2 and the 3? I mean the 2 and the 4?
Yeah.
Alright. Is the top little dial on 2?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
There's no problem. Okay, tell me what.
I'm ready when you are.
Oh, okay, ready?
Yeah. Go ahead. Is that sink a sensor sink or is it?
It's a normal faucet.
It's a normal faucet? Okay, turn it on. Hold on, let me flush this one. No, it's still backed up. Okay, go ahead. All right, go ahead. Go ahead.
Flush the urinal?
Yep. Is that going down okay? Oh, I can smell the septic tank. Go on the other side and flush all the women through.
Yep.
Then turn the sink on cold.
Okay.
What?
The women's room toilet on the other side of this wall, it doesn't flush. It won't flush.
Which one?
The one on the other side of this wall.
Okay. Start running the thing again. Just leave the water running.
Okay.
Welcome to being a drain cleaner. Ready when you are. Is it just that one that won't flush?
Yeah.
All right, stop. I'm gonna go check that toilet, run out to the truck and get that roll of paper towels that I told you where it was yesterday. Because if that's the only toilet, everything else is flushing and draining, so. Oh, it's because it's off. It wouldn't flush because it was off. All right, so as I pull out, I'm gonna undo it on the drill,
Okay.
and I'm gonna pull out, and then as I pull out, coil it over here.
Shut this off and leave it running.
Nope, leave it running. Always leave them running for as long as you need them to be. Like, as long as you're doing cleanup, just leave them running. It's a lot easier.
So in case it goes back over, she'll be able to see it.
Well, that and it rinses and flushes out everything that was causing it to back up to begin with.
Yeah.
How are we looking?
You're draining.
We're draining.
You're draining.
Well, I feel emotionally drained, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, you're draining. You're doing. It's actually draining really good. The smell that you're smelling is the septic tank. So
So, yeah, so it's traveling all the way back.
exactly, the gases are traveling back up through. Because I went through the vent. So.
Okay guys, we are finished with that one. We will see you next time, and bye!